this morning I'm going to be hopefully clearing the decks a little bit because as you can see I'm drowning in paintings and artwork, so I'm just going to put some of my bits and pieces away, ready to start my day. So these are my autumn collections and we're coming soon. These are abstract designs. Oh, how silly. So, not finished yet by a long shot, but I'm all about recycling here, so don't laugh. But I got all these boards given from an estate agent. so if you want plots number 7, it's autumn trees. I'm working on. So I have lots of those boards because I work on them a lot. They're absolutely great for putting backgrounds down. Oh, Jasmine. Just when I start my paintings, sometimes it just starts with an idea. That's going to be a cup of tea with the steam evaporating into it behind me. Just really sketches of the Abbey for my architectural series that will be coming out probably early spring. Seascapes, I literally put down the backgrounds, probably they might have been down for a long time. And then some of these will get put into digital designs, so there's the basic drawing. And I can crop them off and use them. This is the series of paintings that I'm going to be launching prints of when I get my finger out. So I'll do a quick introduction. These are all the fantasy art collection based on moonlight and magic and fairy tales. That's a different collection. This one, I love this one, it's so lovely. I want to make that into some like a wall art, maybe for a bathroom or something. So it could be on tiles or a lovely bathroom wallpaper. I've got 2 moonlight serenades. Is that the right way up? Or is it that way? Who knows? I have a cat marauding around. So, Jasmine is such a diva. And I like to keep them up there because they get used often. The remnants of the gin that my daughter and I drank while she was here. I just thought that was lovely with the colours. I'm just going to put everything on the table, clear this area, including the fluffy knickers. Got to do my garden yet, but waiting for optimum conditions. Those bits to go up to the side. So alcohol inks. Let's get these stuff away. Can't start my day without the decks clear, so I start my morning off every morning with a good tidy round. There's another one I'm working on. Again, abstract rather than these kind of painterly types. Oh, there's another one of those in the fantasy collection. I think I have that one in the middle. That's beautiful. Still got that one. Oh, I need to find a way to get these all stuck on the wall, so if anybody's got any suggestions on how to stick them on your walls, let me know. Every surface in this studio is full of paintings of all different styles. See in the corner there's lots of different ones. This one hiding behind the plant. That's Athena, the Tears of Athena. And then I've got some more there. It's my latest. So you won't be able to see on that, but that's really pearly. It's got like luster on it. That is going to look amazing in a frame. So, I need somewhere to put them on. And that one, I just dug that up from the garage yesterday and decided to perfect it. That's called chaos. Like the chaos that goes on. I like it. So yeah, I just thought I'd check in this morning, say good morning. This is what I'm doing today. Just a bit of tidying up. I'll post an after picture when it's all clean, tidy and ready. Bye for now. Believe it or not, I've had inks and all sorts in this little saucer. Sacrilege really, but porcelain plates or china plates, they're very light and they're not porous, so it's worked nicely. I don't think this is anything valuable, but it's all clean apart from that edge now. The hot water softens the acrylic paint skin and we can soon get them clean. This plastic, however, although I need it because, you know, it's nice to have a full monty of colours. It's a bit of a nightmare to clean this one. This is from the, I can't remember what they call this one. It means I can put the lid on my paints and they don't dry out overnight. So I will probably use this for about 2-3 weeks until it's absolutely minging, and then I'll change it out. So I even use the back of it. Inside you can see it has a little wet sponge which helps to keep the paints moist. It's really, really good idea. But there's lots of other ways you can do this. I have used like a Tupperware thing with a wet sponge in the bottom and some cling film over it. It still keeps a nice moist container when you put the lid on overnight, so your paint stuff. And I also give them a mist before I put my paints away, so that I can use them the next day. Just have to usually give them a light mist again, and that keeps them from getting the skin on, because that's the worst thing when you're in the middle of a floor and you've got your paints mixed. There we go, that's nice and clean. To the lid. That silver's really hard to get off. I don't know why. It's like it like sets. Strange. And how I find that with nail varnish as well. Glitter nail varnish is like virtually impossible to come off. It's like, doesn't want to lift. Like the flakes of glitter had an extra barrier of protection over your nails. Unfortunately, it soon looks scruffy, so you have to redo it. It's not a choice. Yeah, I try and get this as clean as I can. I don't know, just my thing. I like my equipment to look like new when I'm starting a new project. I also use, rather than a palette, sometimes it depends what I'm painting and how. I use like greaseproof paper. Sometimes the inside of cereal boxes, if it's plastic, that's really good. I just flatten that out, put my paints on that. We're nearly there with this, just a few bits. Probably seems really finicky getting every little bit out, but there's nothing worse than doing a bit of fine detail work and finding a dry lump of paint gets stuck in it, and then you have to try and get it out. I do try and get as clean as I can. This one just for paint palettes. Doesn't want to move. I wonder if it's scratched. Oh no, different direction. Okay, happy with that. So this is how I load my palette. So I try and make sure that that's got quite a lot of water in it, not quite squeezed out. And then that goes in there. That sits on top. And then that clicks into place with those two lugs, and it seals shut. In the middle bit, oh, there is a little lid for that. I tend to put my white in there, or my extender, or, you know, paint retarder in there. It just depends. But that has a lid with a little groove in it, so you can also use the lid bit for something else. So there's my table, tidy, ready for action. I've got cloths, water, little implements for making marks with. Sometimes I make the lace in paint or ink or dye and use that to make marks on paintings. Got my palette ready, got cocktail sticks, white paint, lots of things like that. little blender, all kinds of things I use. And then I have, oh gross, all my inks and acrylic inks. Loads of them. That's just the silver paint. It has to be kept that way, otherwise I can't ever get it out. And there are some more paintings that I'm working on. It's all about Whitby. This is the all about Whitby corner. Don't know what I'm doing with that one yet. Just playing. There's my toolkit on its little. That's it really. Most of my main stuff is all upstairs. It does tend to take over. But I'm lucky, I'm really lucky that I've got the space down here and the lovely light as well. So, that's the pink corner. Take the notice of that. It's an idea for a face paint. I do face painting in my spare time. I'm hoping that by the end of the week I will be able to have available some prints of my artwork. They will be available in all different sizes, but my first offer I'll be giving away for 4 prints for £5, free postage. So if there's some that you've seen that you like, just bear that in mind when it comes to launch day. So I need to take my glasses off because the light's bouncing back off them, but I'm really excited to be able to bring my art to you guys, and I'm so grateful that you've supported me and encouraged me really. This is my dream, to become a self-sufficient artist, and so hopefully by the end of the week I will be getting my name out there, getting my work out there and what I can do. So, oh hello Jasmine, are you coming to say hi? Pretty girl. So yeah, here she is. And you always have to be in all the art. This is Jasmine. Okay, see you soon guys.